Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Himanshu here and you're watching Developers Place. So today in this video, I'll be discussing about how you can change your default desktop environment, that is your XFCE, to Gnome. But before we begin this video, I'd like to tell you what the channel is about. So in this channel, you'll be getting different stuffs related to upcoming technologies and cybersecurity. So if you are interested in these stuffs, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that you never miss any update related to interesting technologies developing around you. So now let's dive straight into the video. So at first I'll be launching my Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now I'll be clicking on the start button to start my Kali Linux. So if you want to learn how you can install Kali Linux, then you can just click on that I button which just popped up in your screen. And then you can just follow some simple steps to install this Kali Linux. Here we go, the full screen. So we are here in our Kali Linux system now. So I've already installed Gnome in my system. So I'll be showing you how you can do that too. So you just need to go to terminal at first, and then now you just need to maximize the window, and then here we go. So at first I just need to install the latest update so that we can just install the Gnome. I will just be typing over here a very simple command line, that is sudo apt update. Okay, then enter. So they're asking password, so I'll be entering my password. Do not worry if the password is not showing, then it's due to some security reasons. They are not showing your password. But if you enter the right password, your thing might get run. Okay, so now you can see that the update is taking place. Let's wait for the update. So now, since we are finished with the update, so now I'll just be showing you how you can install the Gnome, that is GNOME, Gnome, for your desktop. So just you need to type some simple commands, that is sudo apt install kali desktop underscore gnome and a dash and a Gnome and okay, it's GNOME and space and dash and Y. Okay, so this is basically the command which we'll be using this to install the Gnome. And if you don't get it from here, then I'll just be writing the same in the comment section below or in the description below, so that you can just copy it and then just paste it and run the code. So basically we have written this sudo apt install kali-desktop-gnome. Now I'll be explaining you what we have written, but at first I just need to enter up. Then now it started downloading. Since I have already downloaded this, so it is not showing me, it is showing that done. But when you will be performing this task, then it will be like a bunch of updates will be there, bunch of installations will be there. So you just need to install, and a moment will come when you'll get a particular screen. Let me show you that screen. So during installation you'll be getting this page where you'll be asked to select one of those, that is GDM3 and LightDM. So you'll be selecting GDM3 and then you'll be clicking on OK. And after that you just need to wait and watch until your downloading is complete, and after your downloading is complete, I'll be showing you what you have to do now. So now, as we have completed our 90% work, now we'll be discussing that what exactly we typed over here, that is that sudo apt install kali-desktop-gnome -y. So what is that exactly? So if you're watching this video, then I'm guessing that you're techie person and you love technology, because see, the normal people do not use Kali Linux software, right? They use either Mac or the Windows, but they never switch to Kali Linux. So if you are using Kali Linux, then you are among the special persons who are now accessing it. So if you are accessing Kali Linux, then whatever you are typing over here, you just need to know what exactly you are doing over here, right? So here you type sudo apt install kali-desktop-gnome y. So since I use this command, so I'll definitely be explaining what actually I typed over here. So sudo, what does that sudo mean? Sudo here means substitute user to or super user to. Now you'll be having a question that what it does exactly, right? So the work of sudo is that it elevates your current user account. Now the apt, the advanced package tool. APT stands for the advanced package tool. This advanced package tool is how program libraries, documentation, and even the kernel itself are installed and managed on Kali and other Debian-based derivatives. Okay, so basically it is a library from where we generally install or update different kinds of tools in our Kali Linux. Okay, so after that we have install. So basically install means we are installing something in our device. Kali, that is Kali Linux. Desktop is our desktop which we are using. In my case I'm using my HP desktop, so you may use HP or any other company desktop. So the third is Gnome. So now we are installing over here Gnome. Gnome is basically a environment variable which we are using over here. So why we are using Gnome exactly? By default we get XFCE as our desktop environment, but since the interface is very boring and a bit complicated to understand, so we use some alternative for XFCE. So the most popular replacement for XFCE is Gnome. We pronounce it Gnome. Lol. Anyways, moving on to the topic. The last word, that is the Y. It's what does it signifies? It signifies that whatever permission which are required during installation, we are giving it at once. That is why. Yes, we have to give the permission. So giving permission in every step is a bit headache. So we just provide the permission in the first line itself. So after that we click on enter and then we click onto our password. So why the password is not shown? Because see, Kali Linux is very much special tool. Okay, so the person who is using Kali Linux find himself a very encrypted person. His password, his everything is very much encrypted and valuable. Say if I say that I have a password of 4 letters or 4 alphabets or any 4 symbols, okay, and you have you are a hacker, let's say, and you just want to get to my Kali and just hack my system. So if you do not know how much letters do my password contains, then it will be more safe, right? It will be more safer. So that's why it is encrypted. The passwords are encrypted in Kali Linux. So now after completing your installation, you just need to enter over here sudo reboot. Okay, and you have to reboot your system. So after clicking on reboot, I just need to click on backspace, sudo. Okay, there's something. Okay, Here we go, and our system got rebooted. Now we'll have to wait for some time. Let's get our system totally rebooted, and then you'll be just directed to the Gnome. Since I was already using Gnome, so I'll be directly open that. So you'll be getting this kind of interface. Let me show you that. So now your login page will be changed. So you just need to click over here, Kali, and then you just need to enter your password. Sorry. Enter. So I am here in my Kali Linux. So you can do this too. It is very much simple, but the thing is you just need to follow these steps so that you do not face any kind of problem installing Gnome. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. So now, as I have shown you how you can install Gnome in your Kali Linux, so now I'll be meeting you on next video. So for till then, goodbye.